హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు యువర్ గెట్ ఛానల్కి. సో ఈ వీడియోలో రికవరీ ఏజెంట్ తోటి చాలా ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ జరిగింది. ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ అనేది చాలా హార్డ్గా ఉంది. సో సో యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ వీడియోలో నేను కస్టమర్ బిహాఫ్గా మాట్లాడాను. సో చూడండి, వీడియో చివరి వరకు చూడండి, చాలా బాగుంటుంది.
हेलो
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 हाँ बोलिए सर।
नहीं पेमेंट क्या होगा?
पेमेंट इसको टाइम लग जाएगा सर।
कई को टाइम लगता?
कई को टाइम लगता बोलते फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस है सर।
हाँ फिर कई को यूज करे कार्ड?
हाँ
कई को कार्ड यूज कई को करे बोल रहे हो?
आप कौन सा एजेंट से बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ
एजेंसी कौन सा है आपका?
क्या बोल रहे?
एजेंसी कौन सा है आपका?
एजेंसी से बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, बैंक एम्प्लॉय बात कर रहा हूँ।
कौन सा ब्रांच से बात कर रहे हो? कोटक बैंक है?
सोमाजीगुड़ा हेड ऑफिस।
कोटक बैंक सोमाजीगुड़ा।
हाँ
आपका नाम क्या है?
प्रवीण।
प्रवीण आपका नाम?
बोलो।
क्या डिजिग्नेशन है आपका बैंक में?
हाँ
डिजिग्नेशन क्या है आपका बैंक में?
वो पूरा कई को आपको पेमेंट वाला था, आपको पेमेंट के बारे में बोलूंगा।
As per RBI guidelines, the customer has right to know the who is speaking to him.
Right, exactly. As per RBI norms, the customer has to pay. Right to understand.
Customer has to pay, but
Customer has to pay.
if the every customer
There are different concerns
if the
that
every
will be
customer has
waived,
paid,
but you
so
need
there
to
is no
understand. You need to
there is no-
understand.
yes.
You need to understand. You need to pay back your money as a good customer,
But
as a gentleman. Try to understand.
yes. But sometimes the customer face a lot of financial.
It is already 7 periods lost. It is already 7 periods. The bank has given you a good time. Now you need to pay a minimum amount. If you are a gentleman, you need to pay a good. If you when you are talking about all the rules and regulations,
But
and you
what
know
I'm saying is
all the things.
all the gentlemen
When you
doesn't
know
have
the
money.
things, if you are a good gentleman, you pay your minimum amount. Definitely, bank will give you some more time.
I
But
hope-
when not,
I hope you
when
will
not
listen
paying any
also,
single
okay?
amount.
Apart from speaking, you will please listen to me.
Yeah. Tell
What
me.
I'm saying is, lot of gentlemen go under financial crisis. Okay.
Pardon?
Lot of gentlemen goes in financial crisis. You have to give time.
It is already given 7 months over. How much time will the bank give? It's all public money. It's not your only bank's money. Try to understand. You know everything, but and you are trying to act smartly.
No. There is no acting smart, sir. Okay.
You are acting smartly. Only thing is you know everything, but you not to. You are acting
No,
smartly. You pay your minimum amount.
definitely,
Definitely,
I will
bank is giving you time.
definitely,
It's already
I will-
bank has given you 7 months of leisure
Yeah.
period. You pay your minimum amount. Definitely,
I
we
will
will
pay
consider
back
your.
all his money.
Huh?
Definitely, I will pay back even single rupee also. I will not.
No. You
Pay.
pay your minimum amount. Definitely, bank will consider all the issues. Then definitely, bank will give you the ample time. Then you can close all your things. But try to understand, when you are a gentleman and you know all the things, you need to pay your minimum amount.
I will
Hope you
not pay the
understand this.
minimum, sir. I will clear the account also.
No.
Okay. But I need time.
See. Huh?
I will
How much time? How much
completely-
time? How much time? How much time do you need?
2 months, sir.
Not 2 months. 2 months will never ever be happen. So, see, when you know everything, 2 months will never ever happen.
It will happen, sir. Why not happen?
No. 2 months will you pay your minimum amount. Then I'll talk to you.
What will bank do, sir? The
Huh?
customer does not have even single rupee asking for time to make the adjustment of money.
It is already given 7 months. It is already given 7 months.
He is since 7 months he is jobless. How can he pay, sir?
Huh?
Since 7 months he is
Pardon?
jobless. Since 7 months.
See, bank is not asking him to pay all the total amount. He is banking asking only minimum amount. Try to understand that.
Minimum amount, sir. Is whatever amount is pending amount is, he will settle entire amount. He will pay back.
See, you don't talk to me like that. See, every person has got something. So it is a minimum amount banking is asking. It is not banking is not asking every total full amount to pay. They are asking only minimum amount.
This Kotak
Minimum
report
amount.
is very tough, sir. I know.
Huh?
Kotak report.
No, see, might be very tough.
Kotak is a very tough recovery process. That is the reason is spoiling is in India. You know that?
See, you don't
They will
talk about the
put-
bank
they will
or
put
recovery or
RBI in
all
pocket
that
and
thing.
work.
You don't talk all the things. I know everything.
They will
You
put
know
RBI
everything.
in pocket and
Ask him
work.
to
Kotak bank is
pay
above
minimum
RBI.
amount. Huh?
Is the Kotak bank is above the RBI or under the
See,
RBI?
we know
Every
everything.
bank has to
RBI, we know
follow
RBI, we know
regulations,
Kotak
sir.
Bank, everything is fine. You
No, sir.
you only pay the minimum amount.
Sir, what
We
I'm
want the
saying
minimum
is,
amount.
it will take 2 months.
No.
time.
We
So,
want him to ask him to pay minimum amount.
No,
That's
sir.
all.
It will
Then
take 2 months.
definitely you give me a mail or something stating that so and so is the reason. Definitely bank will consider, give you the
Sir,
time.
right now,
Till that time
I
you
can
can.
make him to write mail to company and
No. You
it's a
pay
CC
you
to
pay the
RBI.
minimum amount, then write a mail. You pay the amount, you pay the minimum amount, then ask him to write.
But you people are forcing
It should
to
be
make people. Sir, it is clearly
Your
I am
good
also
name?
recording
Your good
this
name?
call. I am
No,
also
your good
recording
name?
this call, but this is
Very good, very good,
completely
very good.
criminal
Your good name?
intimidation. You know that?
No,
It is
your good name?
completely threatening. Forcefully, you are making
See,
person to make the payment.
your good name, please.
You are pressurizing the persons. You are as a
No, your good
Kotak
name,
Bank
your good
employee.
name.
You are not disclosing your
See, when
agency name, but you are
when you talk
completely
about
pressurizing the
pressurizing,
persons.
see, whatever you're talking, see, when I pressure to pay full amount, that is called pressurizing. When I'm asking him to pay the minimum amount, that is not a pressure.
If the customer
Try to
does not have
understand.
single rupee, even if you ask
How
100
can
rupees out of that,
how can a person does not have a single rupee? How can a person does not have a single rupee?
This is completely harassment, sir. This is completely. For 15,000 rupees,
It doesn't come onto anything. It doesn't come onto any such situation. It is only the banking asking him to pay the minimum amount. It does not come into anything.
He will
What
make
you
the
are
payment.
talking?
He is asking time. He is not.
It is already given 7 months. It's already given 7 months.
He is not saying RTP. Refuse to pay. He is not saying like that.
It is asking, banking asking only to pay
If the
minimum amount. Try to understand.
if the executive make the pressure, then it will come
No
into
executive is pressurizing, nothing is happening.
Okay, issue with the data.
You are talking, see, don't talk very smartly, boss. No intentional, nothing, it is like,
Issue with
it's not like
delegate.
that. You ask him to pay only minimum amount. If the bank is asking only him to pay the minimum amount, not, the bank is not asking to pay in the total amount. It's only almost, or maybe it is like a couple of thousand.
It is not a pre-requirement to complete the 100.
Your good name? Your good name?
Ravi, sir.
Naveen. Ravi.
Yes.
Ravi, see, ask him, see, as a friend, you can only support him. When you know everything, you can support him. Why you are not supporting him?
I know personally him, his financial situations. That is the reason I am speaking.
Why can't you support him? Why can't you support him? Why can't you be a good friend and support him and do all the necessary things? When you know everything, you pay the minimum amount, you pay the minimum amount.
Why can't you fund? Why can't you fund? We are good. We are talking. We
have already funded 7 months. It is already 7 months. That is the reason banking asking.
As a best well-wisher of me, why can't you fund him?
It is already funded. It is already funded here.
చూశారు కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫండెడ్ ఫర్ 7 months. దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే 7 months వరకు ఏజెన్సీ వాళ్ళు కస్టమర్ యొక్క కార్డులో పేమెంట్ చేశారు. ఓకే, చేసి సో వాళ్ళ టార్గెట్ కోసం వాళ్ళు చేశారు. తర్వాత కస్టమర్ని ఈ విధంగా ఇబ్బంది పెడతారు. సో మినిమం డ్యూ అనేది ట్రాప్ అండి. ఓకే, మినిమం డ్యూ ఎప్పుడు కట్టాలంటే నీకు ఒక 2-3 months సిచ్యువేషన్ బాగా అవుతుంది అనుకున్నప్పుడు మినిమం డ్యూ కట్టాలి క్రెడిట్ కార్డులో. నువ్వు సంవత్సరాలు క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ మినిమం డ్యూ కడితే ఏమవుతుందంటే కార్డ్ లిమిట్ ఎంత ఉందో అంత ఆల్రెడీ మినిమం డ్యూ పే చేస్తావు. బట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అమౌంట్ అసలు ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మళ్ళీ 1 year కల్లా అంతే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది డేంజరస్గా ఉంటుందండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ పర్ ఇయర్ 60-70% ఉంటుందండి పర్ యానం. ఓకే, అంత పర్సెంట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అంటే రఫ్గా మనకు 5% జనరల్గా. అంటే మనకు బయట మనకు ₹5 మిత్తి ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అంత ఉంటుంది. మనకు ₹5-6 మిత్తి పడుతుంది క్రెడిట్ కార్డులో మినిమం డ్యూ కడితే. మినిమం డ్యూ పే చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే టెంపరీగా నువ్వు రిలీఫ్ అవుతావు ప్రాబ్లం నుంచి. బట్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే నువ్వు ట్రాప్లోకి నువ్వు ఇంకా లోపలికి వెళ్తున్నావు మినిమం డ్యూ పే చేస్తే. ఓకే, సో ఒక 2-3 months అంటే పర్లేదు. సంవత్సరాలు మినిమం డ్యూ కడితే ఖచ్చితంగా నువ్వు డెబ్ ట్రాప్లోకి స్లో పాయిజన్ లాగా వెళ్తున్నట్టు.
Using the card, everything is gone.
It is
already 7 months. You have not
funding.
paid the amount. See, every bank has got its rules and regulations. You, as a friend, you support him to pay the minimum amount. Then talk to me. Why you are not talking about that?
Why can't you fund?
Why you are not talking about that?
Fund him? He will
Why are you talking in between? Why are you talking in between when you are a good friend? You are not a good friend of him. Why are you coming in between this customer and bank?
In between bank and me, you are a third party. Okay.
So, pardon?
You are third party. Okay. You are speaking behalf of Kotak.
చూశారుగా ఫ్రెండ్స్, మినిమం డ్యూ కట్టమని ఎంత ప్రెజరైజ్ చేస్తున్న కస్టమర్కి. సో ఈ యొక్క ప్రెజర్లో చాలామంది ఆ యొక్క మినిమం డ్యూస్ కట్టి అట్లా చాలా మంత్స్ కట్టి ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే అల్టిమేట్గా డెబ్ ట్రాప్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతారు. సో వీడియో నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నా ఫ్రెండ్స్. వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఇలాంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేటివ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం నా యొక్క ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.